While the Kansas Wetland Education Center is closed to the public, we assure you that we are taking care of all the animals. Our toads have some of the most interesting ways to eat. Woodhouse's toads have one of the eeriest calls. Didn't that sound just like a lady screaming in the woods? As we watch the toad eat, notice its eyes. What role do they play? Look at how large the orbital or eye cavities are for the toad, but also notice that there are no bones between the eye and the mouth. We feed our toads crickets each morning. They use their sticky tongue to catch the prey. It is so fast, snapping back within 15/100ths of a second, that the prey doesn't have a chance to escape. The tongue does produce mucus, which will aid in swallowing, but toads will also blink their eyes when they swallow their prey. The eyes have the ability to push against the roof of the mouth, forcing the food further back down towards their throat. How cool is that? As we look at the skull again, you'll notice the lack of a bottom jaw. The eyes help to swallow the prey whole, but the missing bottom jaw allows for the sac underneath to fill with air like a balloon. During mating season, so like right now, go out and listen tonight. You can hear the males moving air over their vocal cords, causing them to vibrate. The female will find a male with a call she likes, and the male will fertilize eggs she releases into the water. Let's see if we can catch that tongue in action, this time on our Great Plains toad. Both of these toads have parotoid glands behind their eyes. This is a defense mechanism. If they become prey, they can secrete a poison when frightened that can cause irritation and taste bad to their predator. Other amphibians that have been recorded at Cheyenne Bottoms include barred tiger salamanders, plains spadefoot, northern cricket frog, western chorus frog, plains leopard frog, and bullfrog. They are most active and vocal at night, so go outside and listen and let us know what you hear.